O fositse show. Hey. Au Mukhulubey. Mukhulubey. Thank you very much, Mari. Hey!
Let's go, Freda!
Hey, I'm like the king.
Let I'm like the king.
Hey, I'm happy about. Yo, get no trend. Mara ke bone ba comment ba go jive smart or anything. Hey. Oblan tu must get move. Ka so challenge e tla menu itlontolla mo. Hey. E tla menu itlontolla ne ke nna ke tlo challenge
Ke go butwa ka tshea kolla.
Umukhulubey mos. Hey. Mutafutumal. Eso já foi todo pelo tamaca. Eso já foi todo pelo tamaca e bisiu. Até que tá tratado. Até de nada você trata. O tla letsa gape le o tsamaka e bosigo ga gona Robert se ke tsontso di jefa mo ke ga gona for o ithutile tsone ka tlung
Nna ngwanes ke tsamaya stratong ke ngwana I tshwereng hantle ke ngwana ntate Modimo
o di bona guys cause ko dikerekeng ga di jefiwe
mo TV ke bona TV
ebe o etsa ha o di bona
be ke a di shebela ke a di khotsa ke ntho tsa batjha
o Mukhulubey straight o Mukhulubey viewers at home re bleleng he le reng jang tleng le mone jang
I think you should
buy a holy communion. I think I should buy a holy communion for us.
for nna one rekela ha se rekele ke bontle
Selalo king.
Volcano
Why we tumela selalo king?
ke moruti ke rata selallo
Oh.
se reketla mona butwa ka man ke moruti
Can I challenge you? Yeah. That moves. Get cow jaifa. Ene volcano. Lungile fani.
yo hona le mothering ka reng ka dula ke apere diaparo tsa dibaiki di a tshwanela letsa gape DJ
Let's jwang. Ola di ka apere mosese o itse. A ke rate so se diragalang mo. Ne ke tlo bankanya this era. Cut. Viewers at home, I promise you, mistake o etsang go diragala mo this era ke tlo e bankanya next week e just ala fanta ke tle ka pere jalo ka mme nna ke tlo bankanya mistake o etsang go bona next week ke se it's a promise me pose ke ta bona yo ke tlo e bankanya viewers le mpona ha ke dutse
ska re
bore yo ntaka yetsang aye mam Volcano, I'm coming to visit your church this Sunday from Johannesburg.
Wow. Mar Solanka rumele tšhelete ya selalo. Solanka so ka tloa.
Hona le motho o botsang potso a re the biker o sileke wa o sa apara tsa bike. A ngwane sohle.
Joang.
Ya mare.
Joang. Nthotsana dina le beng ba tsona tse.
O batla go rengentle ke ntate moruti.
Batho ba tswa ke ba se ba tswa le batho.
A ke tshabe ke nana ke santse ke start ke direke. Ke for in case hanka hlonolofatswa ka mothanang le dibike kapa ka dibike.
A wa mbatla jwa. Wa batla wa re mothana le dibike ke re ke nna mothana le dibike.
Ha se wena fela. Le TV nga ke ga ba bona. Ba re Novi o tshwanetse serious.
Thank you so much.
And then Khaletsa Tsotsotso I'm telling hle Novi le nna you look so handsome o ka Raila once o namele bike ke tsebana ba tore.
A re ke tshwanela taba taba
Otonela ndule ke batla bala enana akire ke tsa ke na diphatlo tsa di bike hona motho re lol I will give it don't worry
thank you
why no comment ihla after re bua ka di bike
modimo mo bless
okay
modimo mo bless a rane show ngwaneso
viewers at home, greetings, Lidumedi. So I can also love
thank you so much. Can it give ma? Volcano, thank you so much, ma. Le batho ka ofela ka nete dumelang.
Okay, but you look like a mujita. Barrio
mujita.
Barrio moves. Kana mujita ki mujita flela aging effect.
Solanka we that moves smart.
Okay. Re santse re bua ka di moves. Viewers at home, before we can get to the main. I ke re la tseba show yena na e monate because ina le starter, ina le main, ina le dessert.
Okay.
Now, re santse re le monana mo starting viewers at home. Tate Moruti, you are trending like you are trend. Ako re jwetse re qetetse o sukuluhile. What went wrong?
Ahle. Ke ntse ke sukuluhile. Ke halalela feta jwale. Yo, I'm a Holy Communion.
Holy what?
Holy Communion.
But o sukuluhile jwang when we see you trending ka sex toy. Ibile o etsa di demonstrations.
Ntse ke tsala pele etsa the Laker Friday. I'm not going to akutlotlwela Laker Friday. Ntse ke tsala pele ntse entrant tsa fela ke taba ya demonstration. Ke trendela ka demonstration fela nothing else.
Ono sana gane ha ona gane go you were a bit too deep. Why ora?
Because ne ke ruta kanto ke demonstrate ke rata demonstration. Ke re ke sebisa demonstration everywhere. Ke sebisa dem dildo ya never try bona. Khale le teng. E teng di video tsa ka fela almost tsa dinto.
Website she sa leader pa.
A ke tsile re ke badimo because kapa ke modimo. Ena ga sa batliše because di le tsa sala le dipenti.
But
so ke tsile re ke mammo because because marone serious no tare tloele papadi motlane ke tshesa dintho ona ntho tse ke le ka di sia because ne ke re ke tlo fana ka tsona ne bo di painti tsa nne tse di setse tsana but I was not aware of it because ne ke na dipotlo tsa ngata tsa sister Jacobeta and then the dildo tsona ke a di tshesa because ne ke tseba hore ke ntse ke tlo ruta ka tsona tsona that I ke di tshesa because tsona I ke di tshesa purposely because ne ntse ke tseba hore ke tlo ruta ka tsona and then ke tsebe le lela because the way ne ke ruta because I can't ne ke ruta ka the different
kind of sex
ne hore hona le di sex tse o batho ba di etsang nje tse o di ke kentsa le connect la le ke la rata but hona le sex e tlo etsang e tla le connect ne ke bua le di partners ke re di partnera make sure that they choose the right sex e tlo le connectang ona sex e connectang but hona le sex tse etswang like how low ha ke ka ya tseleng ka lo reka tseleng I'm not going to have sex ya o connecta le motho if ka lo reka bo tsbana ba strato I ke tlo have sex ya connection but if ke na le partner I need to know the kind of sex e tsontseng ke have any partner because they are fapana
now toy e can jang to different
ne ke demonstrate
ka o bua fe
ne ke re ke demonstrate ka tshwere ke demonstrate hore ikenaka ne ke bua ka hore batho ba etsa futlo and it's only ke tsa bo dikuke mur ke tsa ne tsa di handcuff
now that Muruti was it necessary for you to take a sex toy
yes
while o shebelwa le ke bana
a ke sena ba reketseng di phone bo mma bona ba ke di phone ba ne ba bona ba ba se ba rekela data a se responsibility ya ka o kata bana ba bona if reketse ngwana ha o phone I'm not the only person ya rutang ka sex ke sex fela le TV ina le sex ibile hona le di show dintho tsa le diking man mo o downloadang kana di bitswa tsa di phono mosadi mongwe na thole ngwana hae ex engwe yaka ona thole ngwana hae a download di sex ntho di bitswa
di app
tsa di phono ha Google man Ufumana
banaba
guys number le nsukela fela ke hlola ke ba mametse batho ba re bana ba runa it is not the responsibility ya ka jwale ka ntate am jwale ka nna to protect bana ba hao ke ngile ka bua nthongwe radio ka ro you know bana ba mpotsa radio ngore what about bana ba bona be ke re a ke a tshwanela go ba le influence e feta ngwana hao
e feta nna ngwana wa hao okay
ke ngile ka ruta ka ntho ka re when o le motswadi ngwana hao a ba rata nna ngwana wa hao a ba rata
wena
amba mambela nna
ho feta nna as motswadi wa hae
as a parent ya hae if ngwana wa hao a mamela nna ke le just an influencer nna ba ruena a phela le wena a dula le wena mara aba sa mameli wena aba sina anything aba influence wa ke nna ho tshore wena as motswadi you are too weak ngwaneng wa hao and was ka blame runa di influence ona mo re kenang teng because it is your responsibility as a parent to have an influence baneng ba hao
okay
o thuse bana ba hore shebellang eng skela shebella eng go no tshwantse ba thuse because mona into Facebook le TikTok we are here to teach other people rena rena nako
okay hona le somebody abutsang but hey ke kopa question hi Eric can't you do that at the marriage seminar ke kopa ke botse right you are a leader you are a pastor somebody whom all age groups di looking up to yena don't you think it will be wise to do such demonstrations only the marriage seminars
hona yona ke etsang ka labohlano ke marriage seminar because shebela ke batswadi so it's up to batswadi bona ba tlwele bana ba bona hore ba join marriage ntho seminar e ke etsang ka labohlano because ke etsa ka 9 o'clock bosiu 9 o'clock bosiu
but it's public I ke go etsa ka 9 o'clock
9 o'clock it is the responsibility it is the responsibility of batswadi sileke ho monitor phone tsa bana ba lona le ho thusa bana ba lona hore ba tshwantse ba shebelle eng ba se ba shebella eng because qineni so langa ke so ka ke etsa marriage seminar so ka ke di etsa now ne and before ke tlo etsa marriage seminar tshwantse batho ba tsebe ke specialize ka so ke tlo imarketa kae nna because a platform of social media ke platform ya market so ke tlo imarketa kae so nna it is the responsibility of batswadi hore ba thuse bana ba bona hore ba shebelle eng because a se responsibility sa rona.
Okay. If uno le motswadi and then o bona somebody wa caliber ya hao a etsa ntho e etsa no tlo feel
ba bangata ebile nketse nix the only thing e ke entse nna is just that bana ba ka he ba banga ba dule le nna ene ngwana ka nna bana ba dulang le bomma bona bana ba di baby mama ha ba ka ba bona dintho tse itseng a ona mo ke kana because ke responsibility ya di baby mama ho thusa bana ba bona mara nna bana ba ka ba dutseng le nna ke ba rutile ene nna bana ba ka ke bile le influence ho bona e seng hore nna batho ba tlo ba le influence baneng ba ka ke tlo a ke etse ntho.
Okay. Can I just hear?
It's our responsibility. Bala e ba le udimo.
Dimakatso Milwa are true. It's our responsibility as parents. After all, schools are teaching them already, Silike.
Hallelujah.
And then Malusi Ruben, I agree with you, Pastor. And then Dimakatso topic earring. We come into the topic Dimakatso. I was just asking Dr. November about a demonstration, not necessarily the show ya lekker Vrydag, because we are all aware hore ka show ya lekker Vrydag Dr. November bua ka sex. But right now we were talking about the demonstration ya last week Friday.
And then take it right down what's all Dimakatso ke. Ya no yona. Bantse bare November ke gamorso. November is a demon. He's a embarrassing. Embarrassing.
Hey, it was
it's
understand that we ladies
embarrassing the kingdom of God. Mar ba shebel ibile bantse ba comment. Ke want to qetanya about today that show in a live worship so but the same people ba criticize ba shebeletse. Ba shebel. Ona le morutiane nga treat very bad somewhere. Very bad, really somewhere. That pastor, when I kena Facebook, make you kopana le life ya I fit. I could do la be comment.
We are bedi.
Or haona no, I cannot tabale. I cannot tabale. When you fit the comment and say I fit.
Okay.
So, len na haba fit aba feel or ki ibetsa dikelelo tsa bona. Aba fit.
Ba re Novi o seka lebala ho reka lunch pini ya expire.
Ke ronga tšhelete.
Mara show ye e yang o romelwa tšhelete. Wow, it's wonderful.
Maki, on rometse.
O romele dipini le hore na re lata kae numbeng e hlahang right now ya 067 095 5039. I can't get him good.
I will tell Romela Hona 073 202 9079 073 202 9079. Ar shape show maneso.
Okay.
But bala di comments ka speed.
Okay. Khaletsa ara ha ba fitehle. Kathy Motsego are true. They watch you, they monitor you. They also know the details. They love you. They just want followers using your content. And then, abare and like Vrydag yo cho. Ya cho hore 18 years and above. 18 years and above. So rona di parents, we must just watch our kids. We must just watch our kids. Parents, please, harisike gaitsa
Raqeka Novi. Yeah?
I can understand. Kapa ga qala Novi. Hariske ga qala Novi. Sex demonstration is for us parents. Bana ba batlang mo lekere Vrydag.
Assembly.
And then I kere motho ana boditse hore na why o sa yetse di marriage seminars. Then o mong wa Arab yes, having him as a host at the marriage seminar would be wonderful. I agree with you.
Aba mmeme ke tlatla mara solanka ba soka ba mmema le nna ke soka ke di etsa ke tla ne ke etse semina ka la bohlano.
Okay. And then Kathy Musaga are yes, very necessary. They must not watch or follow you. And then Kathy are they must leave you alone. Aye, it is fine like that. People shouldn't watch you and hear your purpose. Hi suka bare lapisa because when you educate about faith, they keep quiet.
Are no bua net. O bua net.
Khaletsa are ennovi to show that lekker Friday lekker. Just check viewers. Hi Friday honest and I don't see anything wrong. Novi, he is just open about sex and batu say her. Okay, kinana rie. Khotina bana ba batlang mo ka nako ya go robala.
Abatlele ha rra ne shwaneso.
Yes. Okay. Viewers at home, just as you know, hore, this show ke ha o molahle ke eng. Now I'm pleading to you, ladies and gentlemen,
hore le di viewers se shebeletse no ha di theke batho ma.
Yes.
Di botse batho ba bolelle batho. Guys, le swantse le invite le batho to this show.
Please.
Guys, invite them batho ba shebelle show yena, please ma.
Yes. This show ya ha o molahle ke eng. Ke show yele Dr. November le OC Olavely, but to some people to check the reality, to see hore mare I carry you know when you are in love or phela fairy tale. Now we help you hore o bone reality, and at the end we don't just leave you hanging. We also, Dr. November also gives advices. Hore now wena if bothata ba gago boluso go right go bolwantsha ka tsela e wena o naganang gore e right ka yone kapa method o swantse o change strategy o etse. Now re na le OC o re tlo mo phounelang today le yena o na le bothata, but I will not go deep into details ka yene.
The feedback ya that lady, sorry, Maliki, nto that lady who feel feedback ya nene re bua le yena wa monna
last week
so builwa
ha so ka bua le nna, but a re o ntse a communication itse ba right o tlo tla gae Easter.
Okay,
yes, feedback e ke nang le yona nka nna ka e bala ke
last week guys ne re thusa o se monna wa hae a lenga mochita.
Yes,
yena ba tswa ka tlo abangala and then
ha se a tsamaile a dumetse ho lo sebetsa outside ke monana mo a realizang hore bad nete sebeletse ke rata monna wa ka. And the husband did not just cheat, o cheatile ba be ba tsamaya a renta kontlong ya side chick. Yes, husband e renta kontlong ya side chick. Now ha bona all those things ibile a thola le di condom tse sebeditseng ka tlu, ha confronta the lady e be le gore the lady o mo jwetsa gore wena ibile husband ha o rate sexually you are not good, a mo jwetsa mantswe a bohloko. Now ena banka qeto out of the emotions tsa utlwa bohloko a banka qeto a dumela mosebetsi wa go tswela ka ntle a tsama a ilo sebetsa outside. Now ha le outside this thing is intse sa mo fi khotso, then a feel gore o batla go lukisa dintho le molekane wa hae because yena o rata molekane wa hae. Now Dr. November gave her an advice, it's just that no jenana ha ke tlo khona go bua feedback ya hae because o ya hae ka Easter. Now the feedback e ke nang le yona Dr. November kia the lady ana abua ka step ana are yena molekane wa hae ke motho but ibile ke partner ha so ka ba molekane
yana le partnera eneng e batla monka for step.
Yes, e be le hore o mamela dintho tse buang ke batho ka ntle, and then ibile yena o feel gore ma mkhulu wa hae. Show ne re mitsa maqele. Viewers at home, please allow us hore re sebetse mabitso so that you understand re bua ka
ma. Fela moholo skra.
Okay, a moholo ana fila hore yena ha amoheli step because ha le pela hae o bua tjena, but ha le bathong o bua
ke mana kana motana sa amoheli step ke number 2.
Yes,
yena na sa batla amoela Setipo because I don't know mamkhulu ka ra se batle mare mamkhulu ka ra pretend eng le yena be re mo thusa kre
re be re mo thusa and then ke o arabile ha qeta a re okay tleki start mo morning leafy I listened bona advice ya moruti reassured me hle and it gave me a completely different perspective about this relationship.
Yo.
Points I took note of. Ha gona mo ke kenang teng basading ba hae, basading ba the husband. I'll focus on our relationship only. Point number 2.
Yo.
I now understand why ngwana a so be teng cause ha so nyale. So far o fa fi. Pula mo ise a jetse the husband gore ha re etse dintho ka tsela e right. Yes. Abare from today I am no longer going to stress myself about rumors. And then aba hlalosa story sa hae he hore so mamkhulu o na le ngwana wa 2 weeks. Throughout her pregnancy hara kopana at all till today. I heard from my friend that she's pregnant. Ha ke so botse our husband why asompuleli. Ne? He said because ke kopa ke seke ka ibala because ke the story that we just re jetse batho. Now from all that story viewers at home ke mona na tate moruti wa bona o di buile so di point tsa di takeile. Yes. Now ene o thusahetse haholo le today ne ke bua le ene a re ene she is so happy relationship now. The show has really helped her a lot. Now viewers at home ke kopa le allow to call a lady o itseng o kopa ke kopa ke mo founele ka phone straight
o itse o kopa eng
okay o itseng o kopa show e mo thuse ntate moruti are she is in a confusion stage ne she was in a relationship with a guy for 5 years e be le gore o na pregnant now hanna pregnant yaba the guy wa mo ghoster the guy wa tsama
okay no a re mutla
okay ke kopa fela ke mo founele and then re gone bua le ene viewers at home le gone ho ikutlela from yena straight viewers at home Luena, you can do the same thing if you feel like okay hello sweetie guy
I'm not okay.
Hamonati o showing ya rona remember if o se comfortable ka o bua lebitso la hao o kana se bui lebitso la hao o bua le lerato seleke ho tswa showing ya hao molahle ke eng ke na le ntate moruti November
ke kopa sala o ntshwarela hanyane fela mphe motsotso fela ke go khutla ke ntse o tshwere fela ke lekise ntho le ngwe ka speed
okay o gone ema hand okay ka utlwa lerato okay viewers at home ke kopa fela re mo fe motsotso jalo ka akupile now lo wena viewers at home you can do that you can send us a text kapa WhatsApp di number tsa 067 095 5039 067 095 5039 o ka re sendela text mo wa re jwetsa hore na wena bothata ba hao relationshiping kapa lenyalong ke eng then we as the Haumulahle Ke Eng crew we will then call you and then Dr. November will assist you in problem o unang Leona and next week we have a surprise next week we have a surprise ke sa tsebeng hore na hantse re emetse o se abe right re utlwise viewers at home next week re na le okay viewers at home next week re na le surprise o kholo ibile dintho ha di ka tsamaya hantle re tla be re se mona
re lo etsa show ya rona Kimberley
re lo etsa show ya rona Kimberley
yo
ya next week le nna ke utlile ha ke tsebe ke re e phamisitse high blood kapa e shiftile something but I believe e na le something e chintshileng. Now hona le batho ba fela ke batlang ho bua le bona viewers at home ke kopa fela ba utlwe phone tle and then re bue le bona ba re jwetse fela hore okay hello sweetie le kae
Hi, tengwana ba.
ha monate o na le o bua le Oslerato se le ke show nya ha o molahle ke
Yes, Oslerato. Oh yes.
I know litse le motsileng but ke kopa fela ke blele di viewers tle fore ke tla be ke na le lona ke kopa fela o bue gore na lona mofuta wa lenyalo wa lona ke eng
Oh, okay. We're speaking firstly to Daisy and Elsie. We are the Mpukwana family. We are in a polygamous marriage. So yes, at the moment, we can't make a long haul because we're then going to Kimberley, but I promise that we will be on call next week, isn't it?
Kaya la yutwa e tla gala right okay ako njetse di highlights nyana tse tharo tse 4
ba nyetswe ke ntate wa
le nyetswe ke ntate o i1
Yes.
for ke nako e kae
At different times, my sister wife, 2018, and
ba bua ba le babedi
ba bua ba le babedi ba sam
Yeah.
guys kutla uthi batho ba dula sam
and then le dula kae le dula different houses
Yes, but most of the time in one place. We prefer basically being in one place than just two different places.
lena le prefer go dula ntlong e one lona
Yes, so we do have our own places, but we prefer staying in one place because of the cost. We feel rather than to spend much and unnecessarily, rather than
in simple terms, like instead of grocery rather if we feel like it's fine, but most of the time we feel
okay ke kopa ke le botse something and I think mare ge lona le free about it it's something a deepinya if le dula mo ntlong a1 le nyetswe ke monna o i1 le dirang when it comes to sex
obviously we are two people, two families, so if it happens that there should be intimacy, then I excuse the other couple. Nothing drastic. Remember, I occupy space when the need be, but if I should move, then I do that. I can't be crowding people and I want to threesome. We don't do that. We respect each other. We are families, yes, but if I then I give the space.
yo lona and then okay Kimberley rat the last time hane ke bua okay gona le phone e buang ke kopa le time kapa ke radio ha le ka foketsa bikinyana ge ya radio the last time ane ke bua lolona the youngest wife ona re yena le khona lo founela ntate be le mo kopa gore re kopa today o starte ka mama
Yes, that's how we are. We are just free of that. I want anything drastic.
le khona o kopa ntate for today sa starta ka o itseng starta ka o mogolo kapa starta ka o monnyane
go ya le ile re tsala re te go le de tlo re sheba to be tla to be in like to one in it which in the road to more the and then kana go yo tete na ke na o re bye enjoy so sama what
o ntate mo tsi ba re batho ba re ba decorate ka more ne and then o mong o apare smart ba tshele di rose hantata tsena o isenetsa tsile gaga ba re bye guys enjoy ya abatsama okay guys re tlo tla hle Kimberley re tlo etsa show le lona la utlwane re batla go tlisa batho fela gore next week re tla be re na le bomang
Okay.
re itumetse thata hle thank you yo
na seleke ga le ke le jotsa ke re step a sena bothata ke di personality Khale ke le jwetsa.
Yo.
Khale ke le jwetsa ke re step asina butata.
Ke di personalities.
Because you know what is painful about the personality? Di re sabotage le monogamy, not polygamy.
Oh.
Step series.
Sabotage.
I mean personality. Di re sabotage le has step series.
Okay.
It's just you and me. Re ba be di fam. The personality ba pala role tsosa. Personality.
Sure.
Guys, personality it bapala role tsosa. You know personality as a the personality the khona or like abalena le problem ya lona e rela the personality ngore e so tlo solve ya kapa e tlo solve.
Has a problem e determine gore tlo solve ga kapa
As a problem the personality ke tsona tse determine dang problem or e tlo solve ya kapa e tlo solve. That is number one. Number two, the personality ke tsona tse decidang or le tlo nka nako e kae to solve that problem. The personality ke tsona tse decidang gore di a le decide gore le tlo nka how long, a day, a month. Una le batho ba sokolang ka problem e one e ba ka e qetang ka 5 minutes for but ka baka la personality tsa bona. But again ba bang o thole the personality tsa bona di ba etsa gore problem ya 5 minutes it can take them 2 hours. Baba, it can take them
2 days.
2 days. So it's not. I say polygamy, guys, because the personality they affect the monogamy.
So onahana these people ba thuswa ke personality. Ba itu.
Ba thuswa ke personality tare are man le tlantsa no bi. But I'm telling you. And if people they can understand that the personality is dangerous, very dangerous. Advantages about disadvantages.
Okay.
One of this lady, Badulan to one, but spend an ako.
But they prefer gore bone ba be together, ba enjoy habali together.
Aye. Now I respect them. Get the personality. Nothing else, get the personality.
How na hani ki desperation, go na lo leng desperate for lenyana.
O pile se go sa batho. Desperation. Even high kaba ki desperation. I will say ibile ke yone e bohlokwa. If that is the reason. It is the desperation. I think ibile ke le bona that nna ibile nka prefer go nyala motho desperate.
Why?
For lenyalo. But bohle ba theoelang ba sebetsang bana le di challenges mesebetsing. But the reason why ba ntse ba theoela mesebetsing ke desperation. They ba rata mosebetsi wa bona they desperate for mosebetsi wa bona. And that is why ba theoelang. Ntho e tsa gore batho ba dule mesebetsing ba mamelle mesebetsi ba etse jwa ke desperate but we are desperate for mesebetsi. Number 2, we are desperate for money. And desperation ke yone e tsa gore kgono o tisetsa the problem le di challenges tsa mesebetsing. But ba desperate for the business tsa bona le tšhelete. They ba kopana le di challenges the business in someone, but they are still pushing the business someone because they are desperate. But when o kopana le motho as in desperate, but was in desperate ba khathaleng. If it's like when we are not desperate for a job, you are not going to a khathale mosebetsi. But wasn't desperate for mesebetsi ba khathaleng.
E le gore ke desperation for mesebetsi kapa ke the benefits. Because
both of them.
I can stick
both of them
because of the benefits.
Benefits to the cholaka. I agree to mosebetsi. So you are forced to be desperate for mosebetsi. And do you know that desperation can change you? Desperation can change you. It's just that people they don't understand the name desperation. But Bali interpret that wrong. But there is nothing wrong when Mutakare November capacity you are desperate. It's like I'm desperate for my church. I'm desperate to my for my church. That is why I love my church. I'm protecting my church. I'm serving my church. I'm doing everything because I'm desperate. And I cannot live without this church. And now because of that, I'm desperate. I'm desperate for you, guys. I'm desperate. Because I was telling somebody, now, if I lose a bo silike, bo baby mama yak, ya lesotho. Ke mo jwetsa ke re nna if nka lose bo silike bo tshepiso, I can be very frustrated. And I will never hide taba ya hore ke desperate for lona because ke a tseba le bapala role e bohlokwa ka kang. So it's just that the name desperation, but ba linka ka tsela e wrong. But believe me, we are all desperate. That is why le batho ba batla go ya sekolong ha qetile university, ha qetile sekolo, a batla ya university. Ha le desperate, a ka batla di bursary, apply di bursaries because desperate, o batla o ipona kena sekolo. So the name desperation, there is nothing wrong alone, but it's just that batho ba nna ngwane nna wa bona ke batla o nyala hape. Ebile na I can prefer ke ka nyala na motho desperate because Lena I'm also desperate. And two, I really want to be desperate for that person because Lena ke batla be desperate for nna.
So the difference fela ya motho desperate ko yene, she will push for lenyalo to work out.
Definitely. The same way motho desperate for mosebetsi, he will always push or she will push more mosebetsi wa hae o ska banto.
Okay. Mara ha etsahala in this lifetime hore motho a nang le good personality a be desperate.
Ke nai.
Oh, o na le good personality.
Ha bohloko.
Okay.
Ha bohloko.
Okay. Ke kopa fela re bale di comment ge letsa re that's true, desperation wa mamella. O hlompha mosebetsi wa hao, you make sure what you have is a ponyoa. I'm with you on that, Novi.
Okay.
And then Ayanda look a o bua nnete Dr. November e tswile matsoho. And then mpusetseng Evelina Molefe a re monna wa bona ha na lento e a etseng are monna wa bona kasho hona le ntho a yentseng nna kashwa a ke understand mpuso no reng
le nna ke understand.
Okay. Queen P Mabakwena a re o bua nnete moruti, personalities ke mathata once le laolwa ke pride ntho e ka lokang ka motsotso e ka ba ya qhala lenyalo.
O bua nnete.
And then Musa Kosa are when you are desperate, you don't give up, you give all. And then Dimakatso Milwa are motho a desperate, o na le mamello and wa hlompha, o khona le ho compromise. Khaletsa tsotsotso dikeledi aba okay mare le hlantsa Novi. Yes. And then Khaletsa tsotsotso are wow moha wa modimo ke kwetsa hle, look at God, that love staying together, wow, Stepu simonati. Okay. Ke kopa re ke re founele the lady o kopileng thuso, but viewers at home, please don't forget hore next week show yena na ya hao molahle ke re qeta o bua le bone, possibilities are very high that we will be in Kimberley bile ba itse ha ba mind.
Yeah.
We can come and then ra etsa show le bona straight. Viewers at home, eish man, taba ya step.
Ntse ke dutse le
Okay.
batho mo ke tswang teng eventing ya Motheo FM.
Okay.
One of my friends o la njwetsa re yana ka Rastep, and then ba njwetsa ka bomang le bomang tse ding he ke tsena tse se molaong mara ba ka ratso mara se topic ya re tswele pele
Hello ga go jotsa no batla hore step ke ntho se phili. I just fela hona le tse pepeneneng le tse patuwe
ding.
step. Go like yo
Ba bona nna even if ngike ka nyala Step, mara ona mohlang ke tlo se hloyang Steve and ana mohlang ke tlo se nka ba
kapa wa se criticizer
and because even if nka se ka senyala maybe nka se ka senyala because of mabaka aka but again there's nothing you can stop gore ke nyale Steve nothing especially if ndate modimo ka ho no go a ka grace ka personality ayo nna nka senyala le o sa no se o se motho thola personality o sa no se
ntate moruti straight wa senyala
nka senyala
hey ne ke khalla go itse gore e le go but just sense ke founetse call ne ke try go itse gore e le gore ke step se dira mo batho ba bantate oh re teng le kae my darling hamonate ntle le tshenyo ya nako rato la ka o bua le batho ba show ya ha o molahlekeng ke o se lerato ke na le ntate moruti November re tla kopa he o re qoqele story sa hao he
okay o se lerato le ntate November ke le hlomphile hey a se ka le senyetsa nako ngwana o ntse se o ntse se kodisa
okay no understand
ka tsena ka bokhutshenyane motho ena ke kopane le yena le mo tse 5 tse fitileng ke be re ba le ngwana and then ha ke expect ke sa tsebe gore ke expect ya ba ngwana and then ala nyamela a khutli ha ngwana o khutla selemong sena ha ngwana sa hlahile sa re mix empa tsa romella tšhelete
oh nako e a nyametse o nyametse a tseba gore o pregnant
ona tseba ke pregnant ke tsebile ke le 7 months ke pregnant and then a ba romella tšhelete so ya ka ena tšhelete e milene so bantsheng
okay ka mantswe ka nako e a leng absent yena na ntsa romela tšhelete na o ne le sa bui ka nako eo
una sa bua sa re mme mahele ke metsa party ya ntshung le ngwa ngwana le teng le bitso o fihlella jale January ye ke makala ha atla a re bonna watla ha tlile a tshwa normally ke January February re kopana hantle he go tso re khutlela mane morao jale e ntse ikitsitsing ha ke tsena ebe morutu ka ntlhona o nthusa ka pa ampe hantle ka gore na go tloa mona la go fihlella pele o sa khutla e ka re ha wa senya letho
okay mare ha bui nix ka tsa haitsa go nyamela tsa go tla sa o check
a utswa ho hang ho normal go ha wa senya letho ya ka yena
jale ha o batla o mosune wa mosune
a o se sebile re tswa go le hampe mafatsheng kwana
jale o batla go thuse ka eng o na le fear ya go gutlelana le yena
ke ipotsa dipotso tse ngata ona ha ke gutlela ke tlo utlwa bohloko bane ba ke butlileng ka pregnancy ke ipotsa gore na ke ha ke tsebe ha ba wa nkukisisa
okay that mo go go fail
a tswa ka le kae re teng ga tse diaka a go ntjwetsa pele ka mofuta wa relationship ya lona before le ba le ngwana ne le monate kapa ne se monate
ene le monate haholo ha ona le mohlang o kileng wa change ho bontshang gore e ka ba hona le botsotsinyana pakeng tsa rona ha e sa le ho le monate ka nnete go le normally dintonte le tsa mang le mang tsa relationship e ngoleng
potswa ka bobedi ke hore ne le dumelane le etsa ngwana kapa ko na entseng ya ipone o se le pregnant
ne re sa dumellana ka ngwana empa ntse ne re etsa tate moruti wa ka ho ya ka language ya rona jwale tse ene bitswa pull out re sebeleditseng dilemo tse 14
okay marona phula out dilemong tsena kaofela
re sebeletse
okay o no tseba gore wa ya etsa pull out dilemong tsena kaofela wa a kgona ho master a pull out
re ne re dumellane gore ha re mo batle
wa le batle ngwana
re le babedi
okay o no qala ho ba le ngwana ka bona no sa qala ho ba le ngwana
ke ba bobedi
kwa bobedi yena
kwa bobedi le
yena kwa bobedi okay okay so hona jwale ntho e tshabang ke a hore o tshaba go gutlelana le o tshaba o icommit no because o tshaba gore mohlomong a ka nna qeteletsa yentse ntho eo
ke ya motho wa ka
okay o re ne le sa lwane ya kre
ha re ya lwana ka nnete
okay o tsaba go jwetse ntho e nka go jwetsang yona ya pele
banna ba setlhogo
a re sehloho
le nyamela re sa lwana o bontshe ka mo
re a nyamela re sa lwana wa tseba kgwetsi ya ka go jwetsa ya pele fela o tlo tshwara kapa o tla mamela Facebook kapa o tla tshwara kre
wa tseba ka mogongwa no a sekuditsang o batla tension ya ka ke tse dina ke o le ka makala ke tse
stepang ka tla drop
o nako di stepang re tla dropa mare ke kopa o mamele hanyane
ke mane
ya pele ntho nka o jwetsang yona rona banna it's re motlo kopana le monna ya batlang ngwana it's re not unless ke monna ya ntseng le yena batla go tshwara ka ngwana ona le banna ba ntse ba kgona go etsa ntho ya hore if a o rata hole a batla go fa ngwana because a batla go tshwara ka ngwana ya etsa but ka bo madimabitse re mo rona banna re batlang bana number 2 kapa number 3 hangata when monna re kena le bana ba babedi you must remember or you must also remember or e ka nna ba monneno o na le 3 kapa na le 4 ya bana wena o mpa o itsebela 2
le nna ke re jo
now o tlo bona jwang gore ebile monneno na sa batle bana wa bona monna ha ka master a pull out tse ba batle ngwana ke go pa repeat monna ha ka master a pull out o tsebe monneno a batle ngwana
ha sa batle ngwana wa sentse riske
that is
ka o ya
why
without a condom
no that is why nani pull out that is why it's pull out and that is why master lendile mo tsena ka ofela that me uri ha itsa le babetsa pull out for 4 years and tlo go just pull out I is but when monna master pull out you must be sure monna na batla ngwana mark my words now yengwe jwale e bohloko ke yena the problem it's when ko ratile o le soka remember ha ke tla wena ke tlo freya ke be ke tliswa ke figure ke ntho ko bona ngo le yona ha le tsebe hore ha ise tshintshile ntho ene etsa eng ho runa bana because change pregnancy ho runa bana it change the ideal that person ene ke motseba ene ke morata hence hangata re gutlang because ha o qeta o paper o gutlela o ntho anono le yona ene ko rate ka yona
yo
e be khutla ke fifulelo
mba le sa itsebe fela hore jwang and le hore jwala o so le pregnant ntse le girlfriend aka e wese jwale ke ha iba ke tshwantse ke ne ke tlo robala le wena ke tlo robala le mothiane ya dimpa tse tumuluile
wa tseba nna ya ka ke tsebile ke le 7 months ne ke sa tsile ne re sa mo batla ke
itsa o isiba ke a mo jwetsa
e bile ke re ke lo terminate until process is irreversible
ha o no re o lo terminate o ile re
hankaraba
ho jana matla nka ba o arabile nka ba o stopile na sa matla now ya o qetela okay o sa now o gotlile mpotso wa ya gotlile kana kwa nantsa le siko o nantsa dilana le ntwena e motinneng e etsaetseng but le rato le wa ratang ka lona le gotlile ke lona le metsa mora gotlele wena but now ho tlo dependa ka hore this time a gotla ka di intention tse jwang o batla le etse eng no o batla commitment kapa o batla le jolle fela because dipedi if a batla commitment then ho bolela hore o serious but ha batla le jolle fela ho bolela hore o sa tliswa ke wena mohlomono le mona to feta batho ba hae
wa tseba nna ha ho ya ka mokgo ke mo bonang ka teng a ke tse o batla commitment mare nna ne ke batla fela re tlose bohale bo pentong bothata ke ha ke batla re khutlele morao ha kalo
o batla commitment
empa lona ntse le teng lerato
okay o batla commitment ena okay then wa o rata motho if a batla commitment now o tlo choose wena o tlo mo doubt now the only thing e o tlo shapang e one jwale ke hore you don't know hore le mo ya nte motho le kopana le yena la o ka hana yeno ka baka la di fears tsa hao when o lo kopana le motho mong o lo kopana le motho motho ntse le risk relationship e nngwe le nngwe e ntjha it's a risk we are a risker because number one how tsibi le yena motho o tlo kopana le yena o tlo kopana le yena o rata ka pa o tlo rata kapa le yena o tlo use o ntse tlo nka risk ka motho yona ye mong le mo yo tlo kopana le yena ke ntse o ntse le risk se le ke know how qala relationship o tlo risk because o lo kopa ha o tsibi mofuta wa motho le kopana le yena ha o tsibi ro tlo o rata ha o tsibi le ro tlo o use ha o tsibi le ro tlo o robala ha o nga ba tsamaya but how qetile still o ntse tlo wa enga risk yena ro o dumele motho o kopana le yena it's a risk life is a risk so when o kopana le motho a re nna ke a o rata ke ntate wa ngwana ke batla nna ke batla o commita le wena when motho a re ke ntate wa ngwana nna I'm willing to commit le wena why mo doubta motho a jwana are I want to commit yes a reng ke batla o jwala le wena but are I want to commit so hona jwale ntho e tshabang o tshaba ntho ye o ntso ntlo kopana le yona pele because pele mo o yang teng o ntso tlo kopana le motho sa motsebeng o ntso tlo kopana le motho tlo mohlobolelang yo sa motsebeng hore ha e qeta o robala o ntso tlo dula ka pa tlo dula ya o qetela o ntso tlo kopana le motho sa tsebeng hore o tlo o rata ka pa tlo bapala ka wena is the same life ya mojolo ga itsedi ka ke risk hona jolo ka nna ba le di fear tsa hao le motho yona wa hao le ntate wa ngwana but ka bo madimabe haiba a sa khutlile a re ke batla o commit o no tshwantse o dumele because totleng ya totele bile monate gore o e commita e le ntate wa ngwana hae gore ke yona ntho monate because most of the time ha o sona le bana ba babedi tjeng o bohlule go e commita le enwa ya dumelang ho nka le ngwana hao le wa hae now you must remember if you don't commit yourself le enwa o sona le bana ba babedi now o ntolo qala another relationship ya motho yo sa tsemo go tlo rata bana ba hao jwale
wa yuka o tlo tebetsa yo
so ke bona bothata so ke risky and now ya o qetela risky eno ha se risky ao because jwale ha o sona le bana ba babedi now you are how to kena risking ka relationship e ntjha o le mong o tlo kena o lo kinya le bana ba hao because matsatsi kana ona le bontate ba tlang ho lona le ba fihle le ba introduce baneng ba lona ba rate bana ba lona ho sane ba le sie ngwana sa lantsa o botsa re ankele o kae kapa dedu kae e bohloko so when o kopana le ntate wa ngwana re ke batla o nyala and then ke netikile ka o faila khitla pele nna a uswa ka ne ke tlo re go for it o so bona phambili because the same thing e qetong je tsona ke ntho kana wa kopana le yona pele ntho kana wa bapala lo ka wena mo yante
nna mare ke kopa o botsa
okay
yes ke kopa o botsa hore na le discussitse nako ene a khutla so that you know because a kere o re ne le salwane halalwana la etsa next now o tsamisitswe ke pregnancy did you guys sit down le discuss
wa tsaba ha discuss ha kalo but o itse fela ena o serious this time
okay now question ka ya ho ntate moruti do I still need to commit myself ka motho o reng le hatla a ba samplele hore mare ke bone ke feitse 1 2 3 4
okay yes. I think ubutse potso very powerful and very important because also una tshwantse ba if that person as a bue le o tsona le right ya mmotsa or ke eng le baka le go khotise so that ba tla ba khona o discuss ka ntho eno so that o sa tla khona o di tseba dintho tseo di tsemo tse tsamaise monna wa so I fully agree le wena gore mohlomong ba tshwantse ba ke ba discuss because ke dumela gore mohlomong discussioning ke mane le di fears tsa hae o se di tlo felang. Yes. You get my point. Yeah. So I think your question is very important. So, kenana yengwe dinto tshwantse le etse o swaka. Ke re le tshwantse le dule fatshe o discuss o tsebe re wa ya gotlile and then but kenana once I commit myself when it's a big assurance into him. Ke assurance e kgolo eng. Gore if mohlomong ka batlang ho itseba ke yena ya hore o na tsamaela eng but ha sa re ke batla go commit ha o sa hloka taba hore o no re ke batla go tshepa go tshepi because commitment it's an assurance ka boyona
Okay.
But ke nana go thusa o saka go ba go fe ngwana o tla shebela Facebook re santse re tlo bua ka yona tla ne re tswele pele bua ka yona. But like ke tshilo gaetsi dia ka ke re nna mantswa ka fela gore e leng tato ngwana a re o batla go ikhomita ka wena a bankele le ngwana hao sefapane ke go ne nka re o so ka ikele ha monate ntate ngwana haiba ha hole haiba le relationship ya lona e nentse le monate gehla pele e bile nampa o ilampa tsamaiswa ke taba yena ya ngwana because I ke utlo re ne le lwana ho no sina ntwa ho no sina body shit ne le sina mofirifiri wa mathata bothata fela gore yena o ile ba traumatize a fumana re motho a neng a morata le smart ke yona jalo sa tlo change di figure tsa di tlo change then le yona ke trauma ho rona ntho ena because le dinko tsa lona di a change ho change ntho tse ngata ka lona ha le ba ba be kana go tse ding.
So, okay, thank you. Well, maybe.
Ask Mare una na go thuse ka immo.
Ha ho luipe hantle ho amohela dintho tse ding le ntho ya re commitment e counter haka.
Le risky.
Ho ye mo relationship. Ntse ke tlo thola mathata ma.
Thank you Khatsediaka.
Ke lebile haholo ke le hlophile.
Thank you.
Okay, ntate Moruti ke kopa ke kopanye di topic tsena na tse two.
Okay.
Obuti yena o ile phone ba ha tlo khone because mosebetsing wa hae ha ba dumellwa di phone.
Okay.
Mari o tla shebella show afterwards. Ari yena o bile relationshiping le the lady. It was so nice. They were transparent ka everything. And now libona they did not use protection in a relationship mara I know I'm with the lady. I'm with this one forever. Though no sina hosoka ho ba le lenyalo. Are now the sad part go hore 3 months ago we I found out hore dilemo tsa di balang as anniversary hona le abuti a di balang as anniversary with the lady.
Ka ke no termakar. Una jola le this lady.
Bantse ba jola le the lady. Ne? Ki 4 years to 5 years. Ne? Now, ntona hore batle ba tjhakelana ho lo dulwa ho mane for beke ho etsahala ngwabona. Ninning he o checka fela the lady wa khutla. But relationship ya bone ba ne ba itreata as lenyalo because le ha ne ba kopanela dikobo ba have sex, they did not use protection anymore because of tsela relationship stages ne se le go tsona. Now are oslerato 3 months ago when we celebrated our anniversary ha ke ya rumunya motho ka kilo mo bona ke thola the guy a celebrate the same years as nna.
Sure.
For all these years the lady unza betsa double.
For 4 years.
For 4 years.
I will see you expect.
Now, ona potsa gore na a yetse jwang because wa mo rata. Qetelong o itse ke rata motho wa ka. But ke kopa Dr. November and Tuesday ke be right mentally.
Okay.
Yeah. For once. Re sore
To be given.
Ba mo hetile.
Le tabarilla.
A ke re le gona last week nona le o rentileng ko side cheeky.
Okay.
No, I care for all this time. Unso advisor batho ba bomme. Now I get out or na o tlo go ho one tat.
Okay. 2 things that we tsala in this.
A ke re qetelong re tlo dinka re di kopa.
Ya pele o re wa morata. Number 2 are this lady una celebrate
Anniversary
le mo girlfriend boyfriend e nngwe ena le dilemo tse tshwana. Number 1 I don't want to lie, if this lady a gone o pusha 4 years ntate wa sa bone next o se no dangerous a bohloko, very dangerous. 4 years ke phela lona ke jola lwena o bo sena mhlang ke bonang a o kotse o so o expect ya bohure wa excel
Ntate Mokgotsi.
Slake.
Mare
Re atla.
oh. Mara le bontate ha re ke di expect. Ha le bontate ba shitileng ha re ke di expect.
No, bontate when o tseba monna wa hao. O tseba monna wa hantle. O is o tseba hore monna wa cheat. La o ke wa ba wa tshwara. Wa ba le even if you ke wa ba le evidence.
But you would feel.
But you feel.
Okay.
And then if especially phela le motho tlo kgona bona.
Okay.
Bontate if it into ba shapang you divide attention about shapi hantle ba master hantle to you. That is why most of the time that ha jola ha nke ile ke motho mong o kgona mona. But re tla bua ka yona. But this guy ke nana hore o tshwantsa ithuta hore this lady wa high o kotsi ka lebaka la hore o good ka cheating. There's no way mosadi ka cheatang for years o jola le yena o bo sa tsebo bo sa bone design but ibile relationship ya lona ibile le treat jwana ka lenyalo e danger o
danger mo gona qeta beke ntlong ya hae ruminya hae
o phela le yena beke le dula sam wa bona o tlo thola or I mean o tlo thola the lady codes ke a pele very dangerous. I don't want to lie. Wa bona two it depend hore yena mtato as much a relationship ya bona ene kare ba itrita jwale ka lenyalo ke hore na yena o se ona na e bona ntho eo because lona ba sa di letsa so kana go tsedi mosadi yona tlo thola if anasale about commitment about yona ina kelelo because wa tswana batho bana ka ofela hona e committed for 4 years
ibile the relationship
for
both men ha hona o committed.
So I ke batle ke bua something but I tlo serve a purpose because ke batle ke re maybe o se ona na batla commitment but I don't think una batla commitment not unless una jola le batho mana the different reasons
maybe the body love language
una jola le bona for the different reasons una tseba ro ho yena o benefita eng o gaina eng ho yana o gaina eng because that is the problem about manyalo ka part relationship e hona le batho ba jola le batho ba different motaka jola le batho ba ithuka pa ba 3 but a jola le bona the different reasons a jola le yani for sex aba jola le yani just because aba jola so we but ba gona not unless that lady na jola le bona for different reasons. And this guy wants to about why the lady are not journal that guy. And we thought tolerate like a motor baby, why you not journal that guy? You take it for 4 years. We thought tolerate Ntona itola money. How you who this the guy who this guy and that is why still la hanza rata I treat a relationship as if kariki lenyalo but but still kyanza leane come on tsoma o tlo thola hore there are two things ana di thola ho yenwa a thola tseding ho yane una thola dintho tse different. Now putso kore o tlo gona the biggest challenge kore o se no tlo gona now who lose yane even if I can choose yena but if hona le ntho yane ene
ya duty for 4 years
I do let him 4 years lead that guy for 4 years ntate yona o tlo gona na ho mo fa yona e re sa itsebeng
so the guy okay
yengwe ya di ntotse so o bona di issues tsa manyalo ha re dilane le tsona ka marato fela issues tsa manyalo I mean the relationship but le tsa manyalo we don't deal with the issues tsa manyalo le the relationship. I mean we don't deal
ka di issues tsa marato the relationship ka lerato
fela
okay
le lenyalo is the same. We don't deal with the issues
ka lerato
with
love alone.
Okay. We also deal with the issues tsa marato le tsa lenyalo tsa the relationship tsa manyalo ka reality because love and reality are the two different things.
ha re qale qalong sho hi okay what you are saying ko hore the issues ka hara di relationship ka hara manyalo we don't deal with those things in the issues
Hi guys, I know. No, Kai. I know.
okay we don't deal with the issues tsa lerato I mean the issues tsa manyalo le di relationship ka lerato fela
Yeah, we don't.
that means lerato alone ha lu thusi ho dilana
Dilana the issue.
okay
Because sometimes you can find yourself really very miserable.
when you deal ka di issue ka lerato
Kalerato. You can find yourself really miserable. O rata motho marole ka rantho o sotlang le yena. O thole re wa sotle. Ke relationship ena kapa ke lenyalo lena. Le o sotla to the last core. But ha o qetile wena o bo prioritize lerato ntho nye o sotlang. Le yona eno ena molemo. So that is why when we deal with the issues tsa manyalo le di relationship, we don't focus tabeng ya ratana lo kai only.
okay statement so se bua based on the statement said the guy as bileng ka hore ba re ka morata okay na ka di utlwa head a kopa
You get
hore
my point.
lerato alone ha le tlo thusa the situation kapa issue ena ne leng teng
I tlo mothuse. So sonse this guy understand. Certain the issues tsa manyalo le di relationship re dilana le tsona ka reality. You just face the reality.
okay
So that le kgone thola solution on this problem. You get my point? Because today hona le batho ba ka ramanyalo le di relationship tse shweleng. Mar ba teng because of lerato. But the relationship ya hiyo o holdile leratong la motho yona ya siko ka ra relationship yena kapa ya siko ka ra lenyalo lena maru holdile o yena
okay
o holdile leratong.
okay o bua ka the guy
Ke ba ka de guy
Okay.
or the guy tsantsa hlokomele ntho tse jwalo a ska ba beza tabeng ya lerato fela if a batla etsa decision o tsantsa a ska ba beza a ska focus tabeng ya hore o mo rata o kaka
Okay.
because le ke tlo go etsa mohlala o bona runa ke tlo etsa mohlala ka nna ke divorced 2 times and 2 ke na le batho ba ke ba tswileng ke leng ka tswa ho bona ha ke a ba tswa ke sa barate ba bantse ke ba ratela ke kwetse mahlomana le feta jwala ka matotana sa wesele ke ntse ke ba rata
Okay.
but the reality la njwetsa or novi ha se le rato le tlo sustain this relationship.
okay no ntse re ya mo ko batlang teng tse ona le khwane ke batlang o isa o yo
So people they need to understand that. Now none about ba re tshwantseng re ba tloelle not because re ba rata but you can see with this thing ayo you can see this thing you rata ndazi ayo
okay
ke ntane mo batho ba batla ba re o tlo thola re wena o ratana le wena.
okay
Now we are qetela when this guy a tshwantsa it's a decision ne the young decision it tlo rely personality ya hae runa le tshwarelo e kae o kgona le balela o le kae and then because ntho bohloko kore o bona ona le batho you cannot say in this situation or tswa motho nyelo tla o se no o tlo thola o tshwarelo yo o butwana na le yona e ka mo allow to give the lady a chance.
okay
So again o gotla ka personality ya hae o na le forgiveness e kae for yena this guy then le hore ha sa forgivile o tlo gona again o phela le motho because you can forgive your partner
but you cannot
But you cannot.
bo fila gore o motshwaretse but now o sa khona o phela le yena.
ka por la ro phela le yena but bo thole still o frustrated wena yes o forgivile but the problem now you are frustrated about this person. So ya o qetela ke yone no fela hore this thing it tlo rely personality ya hae hore yana ke motho a jwang o gona o tshwarela o le kae o gona move on o gona o etsa because le yone e ka mo sebeletsa
Okay.
especially when the lady amorata Nankare, if I'm rata, ibile anali forgiveness, this guy, I can forgive and then we move on.
Okay. Today you're talking about love and reality. While last week when a man cheated, you said to the lady because osanse arata molekane wa hae, she must make means abe kamo a ilo bua le molekane wa hae a cheatileng. Now we are here today, and then now when we are expecting you, rona le di viewers, to o bua mantswe a tshwanang le ya last week. Now you talking of reality and love.
Okay.
In difference ke imo, or is it because e entswe ke futa ya batho ba ithuba sa tshwaneng?
No, the difference is it's jwang. Because yani ni sentse na le drama. Yani ene sebetsa nona last week. Cheating ya teng na le drama. Already into obvious. Yena it's a dangerous cheating because this time muta cheatile le motho for 4 years. A ratana le batho ba babedi for 4 years. Ho sena trace, ho sena next. Always ha qetile ba batlo celebrate anniversary. Ka letsatsi le 1. O sena ba celebrate anniversary le batho ba babedi ka letsatsi le 1. A o kotsihle.
Hello, monana obua as somebody advice kapa bua as a man.
No, ke bua ka reality mo.
Okay.
What's like when o dilana le motho ya before the weaknesses are di obvious. O better o fapana lo dilana le motho ya deep.
Okay.
Awankulu. Ongul. Okay. How lu dilana le nna? O tsiba di weakness saka. Lu dilana le motho sa motsibi o jwang. Ke fe better?
Yeah.
Let us be honest.
Tsena tse ke di tsebang.
Ska bua fatshe. Ska bua o nyana. Haile ho dilana le
mifokola motho a itse.
Le se wa tseba re monna wa wa cheat kapa o le shano kapa o rata jwala kapa eng ke dintho tso di tsebantse kapa mosadi wa tseba re o tsena o tseba o dilana le ntho sa tsebeng.
No, it's dangerous. I believe that is why English hona le ntho ya hore the devil you know it's better. Okay. No, now I get you.
I think
so what are you saying ko hore in this case ho dangerous because the guy who dilana le motho sa motsebe
for 4 years and o phela le yena ba sa motsebe and we sa qetile ba qetela ka o celebrate letsatsi la anniversary o se not dangerous, but at the same time like you checking this guy ke yana ka decide because ha botlo thola re o se no na le mabaka hae a wa tseba re why ana ba kopantse ba le babedi wa tseba ye.
So what are you saying? Go the guy abatle mabaka.
This guy sounds really fancy. I understand the baby why you cheated for 4 years. What happened? And then where's the thing? Why you no cheated this guy for 4 years? I would come back mutu. Then yena I decide. Una little yena this guy. I decide to una little na dinto to. This
the lady the guy achitang le the lady wa hae anang le tsona na.
It's like example. I can go to Jola lawyer. Ne? Begito thola uru jola le tshepiso.
Yes.
Ne? Then begito realize on shita ka tshepiso. Ne? And then ha re dula fatshe be sheba tshepiso. Begito realize ora tshepiso na le tšhelete ke na tšhelete.
Okay.
Are you aware hore ke tlo ba praising e ka ila la ha ke ka
Langa kgetha wena over tshepiso
because it means you chose tshepiso because of money. Now nna ke nne I don't have money, so like you ditshilo wena, so I'm going to be very frustrated hore if ho ka tla somebody tshepiso e mongape yana le tšhelete o ikana mo choose because wena o gona ratana le motho ka baka la tšhelete, so e ka mo frustrate ape this guy into ena. But at the same time nna sentse ke Peter Mantswareng ho relaya ho yena hore o na le forgiveness e kae ke number 1 hore o tlo gona forgive this lady o tlo kgona ho phela le that thing e etsahetseng kaofela na ke yona e bohlokwa eo. If I kgona mo forgive ha kgona ho tlo phela le yona ha tlo kgona if I kgona ho phela le yena after everything ha phele le yena if I kgona a phele le yena ya o qetela o tshwantse hape mohlomong a checke the lady wa hae hore not the lady, I check the kind of relationship you are born.
Okay.
Or ke mofuta jwang wa relationship.
Okay. Ke kopa go tsa something that
Mara nkutlwa pele yena di last hore tshwantse check
hore na relationship ke mofuta jwang wa relationship. Jwang because I itse relationship ya hae bana se ba itruta jwalo ka lenyalo.
But it's still in the relationship. In the relationship. But I can also check the relationship, the kind of a relationship along yon. Maybe we don't tolerate. Maybe you pause or fell into this lady, but this lady came to right, the relationship was good. The lady we because she never thought it was war. You get my point? She never thought it fit. Sometimes maybe the lady, maybe unanza try to this person we don't know. We don't know where it's in. So that is why I'm about something about university, babuisane. Then I'll petile about this lady babuisane. Then hi ba finore kin untarata mutwai like achilo. Number 2, willing forgive, willing move on le mutwai. Then how petile jole ko re jole tshwantse ya o qetela jole. I think I check the kind of relationship my relationship le motho ena wa ka ke ba sheba motho wa ka ke motho enka molo ke motho ya right ya mpileng a etsa mistake ena.
Okay. Ke kopa ho botsa something that mo then we can go to the comment. Relationshiping hona le cheating. Ese lenyalo.
Relationship e usually are ke raba honest, there is no cheating.
So le today ka nna ba re dutse so ntse re cheating kan dibile re bua.
Next time batlo ya mama this because ne ke tswa for ra ke ka mo utlo re ke buela mosadi but there is no cheating. Relationship in there is no cheating. Are cheating in relationship in re scout mo scout. Let us be honest, relationship in are cheating as mo cheating mo. The only thing yet on regard ki mochito go fela ki pamise di hopes tsa hao.
Oh.
Okay, yeah. But the reality of the truth hauna cheating because remember a ke nyalo ne we are in a relationship and the third part hiking ke hore somebody wa tla wena wa o rata eno ba tla o nyalana le wena. Yana wa rata nna
o tla ka commitment nna lona re bala dilemo but ha o bui ka commitment.
I said to this lady ene ke qoqa le yena tjeng ke re because you runa banna review batho re sheba basadi ka mahlo a different.
Hey, okay.
Nka o bona as a girlfriend be ke o treat as like a girlfriend be ke commit be ke jwala le wena like a girlfriend nto abahla tshepiso o tshepiso o sheba ababona wife and let us be honest, you cannot waste my time. Okay,
I cannot waste my time ka motho mpona njalo ka girlfriend
but wena le motho mpona as a wife. The same way Lina wena kana mpona njalo ka boyfriend but bo le motho mpona njalo ka
o bona le motho a o bona jalo ka a husband.
That is why le wabana le no ona le motho ka nshabantse ababona moruta confused wa sefebe marona le mosadi ya ka renga nshaba tsena bare if nga thola monna aba gona identify ntho engwe wona abara I see this man, I see a husband ho motho ena. So because the problem kore nto ntho tsa mojolo di bohloko ka hore ba bang ba sebedisa as the waiting room solang ka ntse ke emetse
Mosadi wa-
mosadi wa ka kapa solang ka ntse ke emetse monna ka.
And the sad part kore motho ha tla wena a tlo etsa waiting room ha ona dintho tse ka di bonang.
Yeah, e mo etsa start solang ka ntse a emetse the right meal o ntsa snacka ka wena.
But now it's very confusing the whole thing ya the relationship behind cheating, and it's very painful because right now regardless ke abuti he is heartbroken, but noticeably the lady, if we can be honest, ha etsa pause.
No, ha etsa
Re ka nna
pause.
ra re she
No.
was testing waters.
No, ha etsa pause. No.
For once you are for basadi.
No, ha etsa pause. No, that lady ha etsa pause. No, ha etsa pause on next. But the only thing in total hlaelang ilimpi kore ho jana bile honest hore motho wa modimo ke a o rata but ke bona ka re hona di intention and hona le motho ya tsena le tsena at least ni tlo ba betere.
Ene ke ya ba
Ene ke ya
painful.
mosing, ene ke ya ba so painful.
Okay.
Because once I believe we need to be honest. If you feel already, if you feel already, you senyetsa nako. Hona le motho o batlang. I think mplelle. Like a baka voice note.
That is not something easy.
Like a baka voice like a baka voice note. But I know it's not something it is. But hey, if resa khona communicate and then ho sane be kuta uthi unkwe ki tele kapo unkwe ki tshepiso a ke sona la we lwa ntho ka motho mo tshwantse ke understand or okay ntho sileke o yentse choice ka motho mo rata tele kapa nna I did not offer sileke ntho nna e batla that is why I ile ngotele because a re le tsena emolemo o shebile ntho re shebile di offer sileke ke dutse mona sileke ke dutse mona wa bona guys ke kopa o bua something ene ke jwetse batho ba different I mean ke jwetse batho ntwe le wena ke le ka o jwetse gana ke tlo etsa mohlala ka nna ke ne ke jwetsa motho ke re runa banna re gona le 40 mona ha ko freya ke o kenya line ya batho ba ke tlo ba considerang
Ka opolo kila njwe.
o bona ke le ka o jwetsa
We learn to say actually.
yeah ka re a considera we re le kenya runa banna monna ya batlang commitment ke lona ba in difficulty ka side la lona because lona halina advantage ya banna ba bangata jwale ka rona rena le advantage ya basadi ba bangata.
Okay.
Wa bona so rona rena le advantage ya basadi ba bangata lona halina yona advantage but le lona intse le teng to yeno ka side la lona ya hore you can find somebody and then who ba le motho hape ka mo considera intse le possible like us ayens you get my point but runa it's more ina le advanced thing chances
chances
because
tse ngata
runa
haholo.
rena le hona le basadi ba bangata so ka mantoma if you don't offer ntho e ke batlang ke ntse ke lo batla mosading e mo if you don't give what I want ke lo batla motho e mo because you must remember lona le bangata and believe me ya yetsala ngwana rona.
Sure. Now, in simple words, Ntate Moruti, ka mantswe mang ntho o e buang. I don't know if ke tla be ke tjhentjha statement sa hao. Ka mantswe mang o re batho ba se ke ba relax ka hara di relationship.
Ska relax.
Don't think you have made it if you look at a relationship.
Ska relax. That is why now no jwale. E kare batho ba bangata ba rata hore kare o ye ke ne ke le ntho man. Show ke le ka kena show ya ntho ya TikTok.
Okay.
Be ke kena o this lady batho ba mone ba ile banka moela ke le ka kena live in fela.
Okay.
Ya Miss Queen Queen Lee.
Okay.
Ne Queen Lee. Now ne ke bua ka ntho ne ke re nna ebile a re ho nna a bua ka nna a re Dr. November but wena ha ke bone ka rona le lerato
Okay.
because ke bona ka re quit very quick.
Okay.
Wow. E ka re quit
Very
very
quick.
quick. Wa tsa ke tsanga ke maraba. Ke itse ho yena rona re staging sa ho rectify the mistake
wena
nna ke staging sa ho rectify mistake when le wena as we speak o staging seo ha o no nyalwa kgetla pele o nyetso sna dintho tse di consider
yes
but today una ntho tse di considerang
Lisitele.
the same le nna ha ne ke nyala pele ke nyetse ke sna dintho tse ke di considerang but no ha ke nyala for the third time ke considera dintho tse ngata bohloko
Yeah.
one ke consider happiness that is number one. I want to be happy hona jwale unlike ibe pele ke bile ka ramanyalo a sna
Ba di bo sena
happiness
happiness,
and
yeah.
now taba hore ibe ha ke ke quita ka speed ko re fela once ke bona hore this thing because le ke tlo go jwetsa e gotlela ka personality o gona go bona personality ya motho personality runa bo November re gona go bona hore personality ena ke personality yo ka gona go phela le yona and then le hore ha o se phela le yona le tlo gona go dilana le di problem tsa nna jwang
Okay. Jaman, you read the personality.
I read the personality and it
Okay.
is the personality and jwetsa ngore mona teng as much you can rata motho ena as much you can choose this person but you must know that o tlo gotlela mofuteng wa manyalo o tswang ho ona.
Oh, that is why it is easy for you to quit fast because why but this one does not align with the kind of marriage but
No, I can't
this
need.
personality it will not go well
Right.
with the kind of marriage but now that is why we're not a man because we're not read the
Ke
personality.
gona ho read the personality
Okay.
and ya o qetela nna ke sa choose relationship ka lerato only you don't choose a relationship ka lerato only
Oba soba jwang.
because but the problem ya lerato gore hona le nako yeo le theoang lerato you don't choose that is why nna when you choose a relation a partner you consider the personality ka pelo ka kaofela as much nka o rata I also consider and personality because ke a tseba lona lerato lena la rona we still going to experience challenges. We're still going to fail each other. We're going to do mistakes. So personality, so that is why I don't choose a partner, but I also consider a personality a motto. So like you can choose a man, yana le chelete, if rata chelete, marubu pila. Bo sotlwa ke motho ya nang le tšhelete kapa na le everything mare ya tlo o sotlang ka personality so because people they don't understand most of the time re phela le personality ha ke phele le wena ke phela le personality if o le stofoza ha ke tlo phela le stofoza ke tlo phela le personality so re phela le personality that is why when you choose a partner you need to consider the personality ya motho. Whoever who has a good personality, you will have a good treatment. And you will a good personality goes together with respect. In albo respect, in albo humbleness, in albo personality good. There is no way you can find somebody who has a good personality, a good personality. Abanali pride, abanali stubborn, no. Abasna respect, no. But a good personality in everything. Utola respect, utola humbleness,
or sympathy.
Sympathy. A good personality in a leon. But sympathy in a little on to the job.
And the motor ke re utlwa hore na the viewers at home dire geletsa tsotso dikeledi are exactly novi. If I come from my first marriage, second time I'm considering what I want, my happiness. And then abahutlapa are kinna o novi, I also consider personality. Di makatso milo ba o bolela o bapala morabaraba ka rona. Okay? Teboho step are the lady yena o kupile askis. Like maybe o promised this guy hore o tlo end that other relationship. If not,
wabana yelo la ga ikopa. La ga ikopa. Baba jola hape. o ntse ka nna etsa la ska ba tseba because o se no o good
tshwana le bontate o good ka cheating jalo ka bontate Dimakatso Milwa are win Novi I give up. You mean in the relationship I can date 5 guys? It's not cheating.
it's not
Hi.
it's not
Okay.
it's not but the only thing it tlo tsamaya le reputation ya hao because when like ba una le right ya go ratana le banna ba 5 then nna be ke tseba go ratana le banna ba 5 automatically for not a man ke tlo judge ka ntho eo
Oh.
wa bona
Yes,
e bohloko
I-
but
As much
actually
as it is not wrong, but it has your reputation in it.
Yes.
E na le seriti sa
e na le
hao.
seriti because
Okay.
qetelong ya qetelo once ke tseba gore o ratana le batho ba 5 I will never trust you and I will never
Le respect.
le respect so ke bothata boo
Okay, no, I hear you. Dimakatso Milwa, I am worried about the guy. He was treating it as lenyalo because he was not aware of the other guy. What if the lady does not leave the other guy?
ke yona ntho e ke qetang go e tshwane
Yeah. And then ba kheletsa a khutla, imagine if only pregnant, not tlo re mpa ke ya mang. This lady o bapala rough.
o na tlo decide gore o rata mang
Tate Mokgotsi.
o na tlo decide basadi ba decide mpa ba e frame motho yo ba mo ratang kapa ya na le ditho tse ba di hlokang even if a mo rata o ka kgona gore o rate tshepiso o bore o borobala le nna le tshepiso mara because of tshepiso a afford o ka nna re ngwana kwa tshepiso le a decide lona bana ke decision ya lona a se ba runa a se gore ke ba ka nnete bana ke di-decision tsa lona
Maro
Gore o batla-
we ba ga mashalo eno ke re basadi ba bad.
no but ke bua nnete bana ke decision ya batswadi gore ba batla o mo choose-etsa ntate ofe ke I cross my finger mosadi a ka kgona go robala le nna o ka robala le ntho le tshepiso
Tshepiso.
o bo realize gore ke a o rata o bo realize gore you are pregnant 2 weeks 3 weeks pregnant a so bonagale a so bisiko o boleletse ke doctor but if realize gore nna ya tlang wena ke proposer ke na le everything e ke batlang I'm telling you ka ndumela ha o qetile ho sana ngwane o na tla bo moetsa waka you choose ke nona ba re choosetsang bana le ba choosetsang bontata bona
Okay. Malusi Ruben, are this lady Osibit dangerous? I'll never trust a woman like this one.
Well-
I'd rather leave than Khomamela Maka. And then Dimakatso Milwa, are it's better to deal with something you know. The guy was fooled by love.
wa utlwa
And then Khaletsa Tsotso Ariyo, it's so sad. Imagine this guy is in love. The lady Osameka Kayene. And indeed, she is an expert. 4 years, yo.
wa utlwa ha e kgotswa ke basadi
Le lona magale sapoti bokoto e nngwe. True love is not enough. All true. Ke nako le hore love is not enough. Logic has to be applied. And then Mqedile are I feel sorry for him. Lerato Makisa are deep. The lady is very deep. Malusi Ruben are this lady is not trusted. This is not to be trusted. This guy must quit. Finish and clear. The lady was using him.
I can need you
Kathy Mutsekwa. Kathy R. Osi wants commitment. She was hoping one would propose. Hence, she took them both. Ke finals. Okay. Malusi Ruben are
which is I agree
yeah,
maybe
maybe. And that's the big maybe.
ka nnete
Or maybe ana feel gore ne no batla lenyalo, then a bone gore mo go bone ke matlo proposal. Yes.
eish a ke tseng mara
No.
maybe
And then Malusi Ruben are ntsa tshameka ma double dangerous woman. Dimakatso Milare, she is a genius. I salute her. The guy must let her go because he's gonna get deep head. This guy trusts too much. But this lady ki expect dangerous ki malusuo. Mpusetseng Evelina Molefe. Communication ki ntho ya pele, but it's not easy hore osi a motshepe again. Or monana ki commenta ne santse re bua ka the lady.
Ofe.
O founileng a ba re ka nako ya pregnancy the guy left.
Oh.
So ke sa tsebeng hore na would I cause confusion if ke bala letsa hi the lady?
Re se ke ra ya ho tsona.
Yes, because I kere jwale re se
re fitile. Mara ntse re tlo khutlela ho yona kra.
Yes. Okay, re filwe Mogani are ya ba e dira yena taba novi. Mosadi o kgona go kgetha papa ngwana. Well, maybe wa botsa kapa jang.
Na ke tsebile re wa botsa kapa o reng.
Yo, Dimakatso Milwa. Guys, why are you agreeing when Dr. November speaks Kabasadi? Are you saying what he's saying kineti?
Mara ke nnete.
Because Dimakatso are kineti, Basadi can frame, but it hits back when it comes to ancestors. And then Mikey Kibo are Mosadi una le sebete. And then Ntabiseng Alina Dr. Ari, you are a teacher, doctor. Amen.
Thank you so much, Ntabi.
Mikey Kibo are amen, Pastor November. Okay. Now, can you because you did not get a time to motivate people today. Now, can you onke Osuane omubeye monaka the situation sanang le sona sa the guy o tsamaile now the guy wa khutla and then o batla commitment onke the guy omubeye monana o reng yena o cheated for 4 years o fandile out and with those stories o refer motivation for the week.
Okay, what's about I was saying to this lady ke re ho yana dintho tsa manyalo le di relationship nowadays on a serious note di re affectile. Actually most of us, I will say 99%, we are going through heartbreak, disappointment, and then re hetue. But le rona re ntse re entse batho ba bantho tse jwalo because le rona when you are hurt, you hurt other people. When you are happy, you bring happiness to other people. When you are sad, you also bring sadness to other people. When you feel pela motho ya sad,
Wa utswaye.
when you feel pela motho ya senang happiness, o tlo utswayetsa ka bomadimabe. You get my point? Now, this thing ya hore re lemaditse batho re lemaditswe re entseng, I think re phela nakong eo batho ba leng broken. Now, that broken issues, disappointment issues, heartbreak, all of those things. What's what the end thing? The end story nowadays, re kopana nka kopana le wena, but be ke kopana le wena ka nako e right, I mean e wrong.
Mara ke le the
right.
right. Yo.
Go back repeat.
Yo.
I'm telling you, Slick, leave yours. Nowadays, this thing are limits, re utlwile bohloko, re goishile, re kopane le ntho tse bohloko, re lemaditse batho. And the sad part about this whole thing, sometimes how kgone le bona hore you are broken.
Yes.
How kgone le bona hore o lemetse.
True that.
Why it's about to but they can't even see. We can't.
We can't.
Yeah. Then
you think that's who you are.
You think that.
Yeah.
That is why after my divorce, I decided so can't that thing
it's pain.
It's pain.
Yeah.
Manifest pain.
Yeah, that is why that is not you talking, but that is pain talking.
So now it's a recopane le batho ba o re ba ratang kapa ba ratang, but le rato be le sa kgone manifest be re sa kgone le bona because of the pain tse o rileng ka ratsona le the disappointment, because the disappointment tsena le dintho tsena ka fela they create the fears they create the doubt. Nka kopana le wena o le the right person, but be ke tshwara ke di doubt be go doubt because of my experience. Fear tsaka they can also play a huge role bakeng tsa ka le wena gore ke se ka qeteletse ke bontsha lerato la o go ratang ka lona because of the fear tsaka le di doubt tsaka because of my experience. Now do you think yone etsa gore now sometimes re fitla bathong re arwane le batho neneng o so arwane le yana ke wona o realize gore mara motho a ne bohloko ke ntho ane etsa re ne o bone batho ba go batla go tlela bathong a nkutlwe.
You realize gore motho ane o bohloko after you lose
it. Now ke yona ntho etsa gore most of the time batho now ba arwana ba batla go tlelana ba etsa eng mong ha o re go tlela ho yena ha sa o trusta o nontshile.
Yes.
O nona like that lady no ke go tla o yena.
Yeah.
Now usana le trust issues. Now the trust issues di etsa now abeli a shell o build a shell no. Why rata this guy? That is why I'm hating. That is why everybody says. But now
and that is very dangerous.
Very dangerous.
Because remember, the guy had now the guy would expect a horadua level 8. Now the lady the fiercely shell had to allow chances are that relationship
and now the problem about nowadays when a motari ke khutla wena ke kopa re lokisa the disappointment le di doubt di etsa go khutla ha ka hape o ska o trust wa bona ke mathata makae you don't trust me you don't trust me you don't trust me you don't trust me ha ke khutletse wena you don't and kana go tsore this time maybe ke khutletse innocently so
come on
but because of ke ne ka o disappoint you don't trust me anymore.
Yeah.
It's a lot, Selike. What's going to around the relationship is a lot. That is why if we must commit. Because the fats in the dating wealth.
Yeah.
Dating wealth is
no, Mariki, the statement it's very deep. As much as Harry Bua viewers at home, Bua refeeder. Because I was hurt because of the bad experience taken on Leona from my previous relationship. When I meet somebody innocent, now my fears, the shell, I do to love him the right way. Now, how lead to that love thing? How no manifest? Now, re tlo dula re hetana mo di relationship because one person is inside the shell.
Yeah. O ka rashele because of o tsaba o rata o tsaba o commit o tsaba because of dintho tsena tseo re di experiencing le fatse lena la mtsholo. A ona ntho botlhoko jwale ka dintho tse tsalang because di etsa nako tse dingwe thole hore ba bang ke tla ho wena.
Yes.
Kanti ke tlo sebedisa as a rebound kapa ke batla ntho mo batho ba matekwane ba iswang teng rehab ona ba sebediswang le rehab.
Oh, hlenda temoruti. Okay, or your money just to get yourself together.
And the sad part when ke tla ho wena nna ke ntse ke nahana hore ebile ke nahana hore ke a o rata. But this is very sad, ne?
Now, re tla be go blame until when you did not know.
I did not know. I came to you because ke nahana ra ke qetile ka mpho motse a ke sa batla mpho motseng. I'm done. Ha se ke fihla wena only to find out or no ke ntse ke limits but ntse ke se aware. But ke tlo jwala le wena. Then wena one rata.
We are all out.
We are all out. Until you are not aware. Hore nna. Le I'm not aware. You don't realize how se ke
Also we puma.
Ha ke phumana hore mara se le ke a se yena. Ka mantswe a mang ko use it as a rehab. Ke ne ke tlo
O no tlo ithola o ipodise. Mare unaware.
Unaware. And because selling that into a radio it's really aware. I'm telling you Seleki. I see dintho tsohle tse re di etsang really aware. Ka bo madimabe ke bona bohloko ba teng ba hore ha ona motho a reng ke lo console ka Seleki. Ha ke tla wena sometimes to thola hore ke tla because ke pleletse hore ke lo ratana le Seleki. I saw this lady a motle in nna ke boneng ke tsala. I saw it ka mahlo aka is this lady nkileng ka kopana le yena during my ebile ke sa re ba ithu during my process of divorce. I did not give this lady a chance, Morata. But I enjoyed the relationship. We spent time during my process of divorce until divorce fell. When unuka isheba nto, unobona lerato. But there was a time when you feel out back to my wife.
Why
and when I did not came that intention is
after Nakoitong you would want to go back to your wife.
No, I came innocently so with a clean heart. But the problem I realized I still love my wife. And hence try
That's
I told them emotional because I know can experience and you know dear saying
that's sad.
Dear when I got mutu.
Yeah. Kantil wena o no sa itse. And wena o kene mole with good intentions. It's just that along the way you found yourself. That's sad.
So now but when we sheba, I think we are in that season. Most certainly are frustrating or we can't love them.
Yeah.
We can't love them back. About willing to build renality fears so builder. Sometimes you have that thing in your mind or in your heart or what's builder. But now that is why you end up talking about something better than when. You get my point?
Yeah.
Because of the season here, is satanic thing. It's a worry better thing like a chocolate, renality trust issues, renality fears, renality and then I reuse about reuser because nowadays reuser. Obana today, now about tobacco account or November on but some of them they will never understand until that them already understanding to them. Or sometimes hate purposely so. No. Because there is a lot in our heart. There is a lot in our mind. There is a lot emotional. We are broken emotionally. We are frustrated. We are so kabu madimabi and kabu madimabi haripone ase angata. Take for instance orange since ki nyala ke kopane ba sadi ba 11.
Yeah.
But let you know aksonyala. 11 aksonyala. 2 kabaga no tlo polygamy. I've never think ngaya polygamy. But there is situations my am pushing to polygamy
To think
to
ka-
think with
ka
polygamy
polygamy.
wa bona but le hona mo ha batho bana ba nsheba bana ba bona moruti ya confused but they don't understand le qeba le mphusheditseng polygamy le etsa gore ke consider polygamy people will go don't and le ha motho a o disappoint us like motho a o tswa a tsamaya lo jwala le mama o sala le broken how can this person etsa ntho kana go tsene o thola re motho eno I feel you don't go ha gone connecta le wena and ha iketse aba qeteletse etso jo I feel gore ke lo batla motho mo
But that's sad. That's very sad. That is now I get you because every time in most cases ha re le show nyenana o tla bontsho ore guys when you get somebody please commit. Now no tjena to hone ke understand hore but truly speaking people are broken out there, people are ahead batho ba dutse ka hara di shell ba bang di experience di ba mathiseditse di sheleng. Now o tlo kopana le motho wena you give your all, you try by all means to save the relationship kanti o kopana le motho santseng a fit not that le ena wa understand wa fit
not because le ena wa understand or wa fit le ena na itletse innocent la le so fela ra
and that means lantse re men are dogs, men are lies. Some of men in a little patient but never understand
bana ba ona sa tse gore ke patient
yo mara that's deep correct. Viewers at home, can I just get bontate by two Baron Dr. November, we understand ntho buang ka yone, we know the feeling kapa bo ausi by two bakare Dr. November, we understand this feeling o buang ka yone kapa rona we've been there kapa rona re bone mamang a feta ho yone. Ke kopa le re founeleng di number tsa 067 095 5039 067 095 5039 le ka re founela le ka WhatsApp. Can I just hear bontate bo ausi ba reng rona Dr. November, we understand this thing o buang ka yone, you know. I thank God for this show because every time it reveal new things. Truly speaking, re ne re tla sympathize le batho if ne re tseba this kind of teachings wa bona ne re tlo sympathize instead of ho ba hloya ho ba bua hampe
re ba blame
to label them
o fhle roba pelo ya ka o ntlweletse o na ntsa re one rata ne re tlo understand.
Yes. Molahlua Maju are akere I said already silik. Okay, ke tla bala commenting ya ke tla ya commenting ya. And then Malesh Mukubung Letswalo are we are living in a sad world. Abaita the emojis are a broken heart about everyone is hating each other. Joe. And then Dimakatso Milwa are Askis Novi, you are broken, but I respect you and you are willing to try again. Remember, men cry too. And then Lee Lufunario, Yena Yona Kiniti. I once dated someone just after my divorce, not realizing I didn't heal from my divorce yet. So the relationship was not working at all. And then Ntabiseng Alina, Dr. Arseleke, you are coordinating the show so well. I love your wisdom when dealing with Dr. November. Thank you, Dr. Ntabiseng. Thank you very much.
Ntabi.
Yes. And then Dimakatso Milwa Arnovi, did you consider writing a book? Yeah. Okay. Dimakatso Milwa are I have been there and wore the t-shirt. I know that pain. Yes, viewers at home, because of time, and I can see that okay, the numbers again that you can call us on. Lauka send a voice note to 067 095 5039 067 095 5039. Viewers at home, you can call us and then wabua le loruna. Okay.
You know, now it was saying it's be more difficult. Something that makes things to be more difficult. Ke ho tloa ho wena be ke ya motho mong be ke kopana le dintho tse ntlisitseng ho wena ho yena.
Okay, a duplicate of your ex.
Hi. Nowadays,
Okay.
nowadays it's worse because e kare o thola duplicate, re thola duplicate tsa di ex o bua nnete. That is worse. Now it's go be more difficult again o setlela.
Okay.
And
Okay.
what's about the duplicate this so most of the duplicate. Most about the duplicate, they don't take accountability. So they get clear to Mashala. Kito Joala Limpomute. Bekimola, Bekikopana Lue. The go to a killer Limpomute. When I'm frustrated, I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. O feta beke kapa kgwedi tse tharo o etsa exactly tsona ntho tsa mpomtseng and ha se ku se ke tsamaya o tla hore o bapala ka basadi o tlweletse mphomotseng a tla o nna ne ke le manga tlweletse mphomotseng.
Okay.
The same le wena
You understand why already duplicate they don't take accountability. Instead they blame motho a tsamayang.
ba blame batho ba tsamayang. Nowadays batho ba etsa ntho they don't take accountability right. Motho ena ke nna mo fotseng wa tsamaya re blame re kampa ra blame go tsamaya hae. Now yena yetsa o be more difficult taba nowadays but o tlwela motho o ya o ye mo o fihlo mo jwetse wa tso dule dijo so le yena mo jwetse kapa le dijo mo jwetse jo ke tlweletse motho ne ke mo rata but I had to ke mo tlwele because of 1 2 3. You get my point?
I get
Team wa Israel ibile ka re la di recorder ntho tse re di qoqelang tsona re tlweletse batho for tsona ha o qetile ka re ba di realize ha o le one so na tlo di etsa di le jwalo but le runa bana we also do the same thing ya re thola re tla bompleletso re yo ke tlweletse ex ya ka because of 1 2 3 but also I'm going to do the same thing so ke yone etsa gore be more difficult. More difficult. Now that is why getting dating world hona jwale it's difficult. And what's why it's so tabomang haholo but ba leng di family orientated but ba rata mo stability.
Yo. Before I go and look at what you are di makatso mila are o fumana ebile e le triplicate ko re se duplicate ne wa tla ba di etsa ka tento are Malusi Ruben are now you are talking Novi duplicate no good. Gladys Ntejana, Pastor, all you're saying is so true. Rebroken and hurt to an extent that la motho atla aurata generously kapana batla re genuinely how sa na tshepo because we have been hurt and lied to a lot, been cheated. I'm also saying thank you to this show Shame. This show reveal what where we come from, the pain we have experienced. This show is talking about us and also preparing us to be better. Okay, and now ha re khutlele Mary I don't know but
Hagire but ba safarang
how safari batho ba ileng hore they are not family oriented.
No,
because ba lose something that is not within them.
Yeah, but once in the family oriented, they don't lose anything. Ibile mofirifiring ona ba fita bona. Because you must remember when you are not a family orientated person, somebody utla hona ore motho wa hae o na re ho yena ha batlo nyala ha sa batla commitment kere now kere ho yana when motho ra sa batla commitment ibile yana na re ba jwale hona le ntho tse ke sa di rateng so na nhlalosetsa nna ke ka ya deep ka tsona kere ho yana when motho ra ha batla commitment you must know that person ha batla accountability. The only people who are surviving is the people ba sabating any commitment
and
accountability. Because when you don't want commitment, automatically it's obvious. Because when you want to commitment, you need if you want a commitment, you need to be ready to account. Because commitment goes together with accountability. Now the problem is most about bas suffering in this world lena leo re lengolona ke batho ba leng family orientated. Because when only a family orientated, when I come to you as a family orientated man, when I come to you ke tla ka kelo la builder.
Yes,
ke tla ka kelo la builder. Luana when o tla wona o tla ka kelo la builder. Now the problem is when re go kopana batho ba sa tshwaneng
ba sa rating this thing. It's when you meet, when you as a man only a family orientated man, and then obotola silike asinda ka family
asinda silike ke na le I know people they won't believe this thing, guys. Ke go bale mamele ke tswa batho ba ka se dumele ntho mara nna team ena ka bo silike they know me exactly. But when they knows me. People they won't believe what I get fair.
Yeah, I can meet. That one Emma at the court and testify.
What are people ban that can't tell fella I don't stick for nonsense.
Something new.
And also I don't stick for nonsense. Now
we consider a lot now.
We consider nowadays.
I mean that you cannot fail for the first time, for the second time. Or fail for the third time. Can't we come we avoid deal?
Can't we come avoid deal? No. That is why now guys, some people they won't understand, they won't believe. And bravely so, because of life pillar publicly so. Because now life pillar publicly so.
Yeah.
Now but banjatsa kanto ye by bonanki pil. Mar guys ki hlola kiring but ba ratang bofebe. They don't enjoy commitment because bofebe commitment.
Yes.
Because commitment is accountability. And kabo madima bitsa mo seba batho ba nyetsweng ke difebe. Bore ba sotleya jwang ka ramanyalo a difebe.
Yeah.
When o nyetswe ke sefebe, o nyetswe ke motho a ifebelang, ya ratang bofebe. You are frustrated ka relationship. So. Now the problem with people they don't understand or le fatsile frustration e relong ho yona e targetile actually this a
dating world.
Dating world e targetile batho ba leng di family orientated. Iso tla bona ke kopa lo jotsa nnete nna tlhela ke jotsa batho ke re ho jane ke le sefebe guys nke bua pela ntate modimo nkabe ke dula haka ke le 1 nkabe ke change basadi. Number 2, nkabe ke sa emisa bophelo baka.
Ka bo ene boyeme.
Seleke ke emisa bophelo baka until that ina bua le nna.
Yo.
Ha sale ke emisa I did not enjoy my life. Ha ke soy bana ba batla mbukela bo Dubai,
bo Cape Town
bo ka le ke ba jotsa ke re I will never go there without a partner.
no jwalo ntate.
Ne ke tjho jwale ke re,
No
will never
jwalo.
go there without a
I
partner.
remember, was it last week? Ke re mare ntate Moruti, how do you think you're going to get you a partner when life ya hao e le utlwa ha go tla kerekeng from church to your home?
Wa hopola ntho eo jwang?
I said that to you. Unzo re mare seleke ke batla ho nyala be ke re no batho batla mosadi kae? Because how na life wena?
So this thing it bohloko ba yona ke yona eno. And nna mantswe ka o qetela kae se ne ka re batho ba ka re ka we can learn to forgive. We can learn to forgive ke yona. Batho a ona motho a re hetane matsatsing na a ona motho
Ntate Moruti hle.
like
How
about
do we forgive?
like about 10 le 10. I'm sure it's only one person hearing I'm going to hurt that person purposely so. But most of us we are the relationshiping ka di intentions tse right, re a manyalo ka di intentions tse right. Re mpa re tsakana fela se re le mo. Re tsakwa ke di personality, re tsakwa ke di pelo tsena tsa rona tse bohloko le di disappointment tsena tse rona le tsona. But now that is
Re
what
tlo
you
thuswa ke eng to akere people are watching you. Re na le batho ba ileng hore they are watching you with their broken hearts. Baba excuse me said baba ibile ba tsori ke bo depression ne because of the relationship le manyalo. Now ke ntho tlo ba thusang to forgive.
Ya pele.
If you are saying to them they must forgive
Ya pele, we need to face the reality. And when you face the reality will also help you re le wena as much la ka gore ba o hetile marona le batho ba hetile. Yo ke boy Peter.
Yeah.
Aslike.
Yeah.
Motho e mong le e mong yo ile ngwa molahla a o rata o mo hetile. E mong le e mong yo mo lahlileng a o rata o mo hetile le wena o mo sile ka hati bitswang heartbreak. Re hetile batho kaofela. Now the reality gore the only thing that can help you is when we can face the reality re mara tsaba ke tlwele o kwatela seleke because le nna o bua nnete ke lahlile mama and batho ba ntse ba nrata and ba bang ba bona ba ntse ba o rata even today. They still pursuing you even today. Ba ntse ba o rata batho ile ba lahla. So the only thing you can do is to face the reality. Or guys, mar dintho tsena di teng and lo prepare dikelelong tsa rona. Lo prepare dikelelong tsa rona. Hore gore we prepare especially when o sentse le dating thing. Are we preparing hore ha ke kopana le seleke I must bear in my mind hore there is a possibility of it, but again, it has because the reality of the truth, that doesn't mean so rata. O tlo thola ka kopana le nna e le hona o tlo batla ngon rata.
Okay.
O tlo uzama ngon rata. And kana go tsodong bo thola hore le ha o se re wa zama ya ha.
Ai kopana.
And there is nothing wrong how ntwella seleke. And let me I get well artleleng ho dula ntse re super battery ba re ke di heartbreak ke bo mang because le runa re ntse re na batho re ba lahlileng and ha re ba lahle because re ne re batla ba bang re forcitswe ke di personality tsa runa ba bang re forcitswe ko re fela di relationship ene hana o sebetsa ba bang mo lahlile because o no batla wena mare pelo yona ya no morata motho because le yona pelo ke botata. You can try to love a person, but if your heart doesn't want to love this person, you're just wasting your time. Number two, you can try to love the person, but if your love doesn't want to love this person, you're just wasting your time. And happy, it's just the waste of time or really.
Sure. Ke na le WhatsApp a re dumelang I once dated this guy and he didn't know gore he was a reborn shame. He was so attached, ebile he wanted to marry me. But nna pelo e ko exeng and I dumped the poor guy.
Amaroid.
Are-
This is very painful.
The guy was so good, but my heart was with another guy too. He was so loving, mare ke re pelo e re ex-we. Shane. That is very sad.
Hi, but it's a painful thing. Because
Really, for the fact that the guy was good, the guy loved her. A re kwaleng show.
but they are very painful into them. Older the guy was good in
And we tell her the guy the guy wanted to marry her.
ba bang here. Jwalo ka bo rona so, we didn't want to marry, but we really ra nyala.
Yeah, o found out le ka ga
To find
lenyalo.
out to say le ka ra lenyalo, or this person doesn't love you. And now it's one of the things e leng yang fodisa eo. Ke fodiswe ke who face a reality.
Was it painful?
Kamera divorce ka itwa.
Was it
Now
painful?
I think in really painful bohlantsha. It was painful. It was very painful. And but we realize kodwa ke realize gore ngwana ba tuna sa iketsa. And if all of us we can understand that.
Where we can reach a stage, yeah, who understand or gonna say kids.
Na sa
Ebile o
iketsa.
tla mo utlwela bohloko.
Yeah, na sa iketsa. Ona a una ntwa ka yetsa. Seleke if I love you but your love doesn't love me. Ha una ntwa ka yetsang. Ke kopa o pheta if you love me. I mean, no. I love you. You rata to an extent, I do everything for you. But the problem is, when your love and your heart doesn't love me, how not to create a way? Because when rula on rate, o controla ke le rato la hao, le pelo ya hao. Ke tsona tse tshwantseng di rate. Your heart should love me. Your love, le rato la o tshwantseng le nrate. For you gono dula le nna. But the problem is when wena nna ko rata.
But my love be sa gone go rata.
Bo sa gono o nrata back. And for me who force, I'm just wasting my time. Because ke tlo frustrate le as much you don't frustrate because when you in a relationship with somebody who doesn't love you, you will be frustrated. But again, don't think Mutiana, let's say I love you, you don't love me. I become so much frustrated. Obvious, I'm going to be frustrated. But the sad part, you are not frustrated. What's about Bakara Bupino Bamutu Samaratin?
How far hakang ka go kalla? Asa sa usu. How far hak? E ka go ka hweletsa
E ka ra o tshwara ka letso le bolong. Kore mamedi. Seleke o tsebe ntho go hloko jwang. Kore bone ha o tsama le motho ao, o bo tshwara di plastic ka site le no raska o tshwara. O tshware bag ka letso le na le o tsebang gore o tlo tshwara ha pota ka mona o mo visa bag e o itlisa ona ka site le no ro e tshwara. Now, what I'm trying to say, the sad part about these things I'm around to tell you, dating world, it's amazing. You know, sometimes I can come to you, the rata. You know, just like this guy, yeah, rata, the late. But the problem, it's when le rato la how, le sa khonun rata, le pelu ya how. Because Luana like a try or pretender. At the end of the day, you was frustrated.
Very
Oba miserable.
frustrated. Sure. Okay, Mohanua Majo, when are you live again, Seleke? The show iba live every Monday ka 6 o'clock, Mohanua. Lerato lit tsotets. Our relationships are hard by their very nature. It is two worlds coming together. Explosion should be expected always. And kinana o bua nnete. I bile ke nahane o bua nnete.
O bua nnete.
Yes. Lerato a khutla hape a re Pastor November is correct and spot in. Unfortunately, social media has really exposed the toxicity of relationships, which is really directly impacting families and marriages. We must be taught what love is and how it works. Very true. Novi, you mean one-sided H ibuhloko. Khotatso Hazel Ara, sometimes I don't understand what love is. Yes. Because of time, we will fitile nako ya rona ya ho tswa haholo Dr. November. Nna ke na mantsa o kwala. This show is in Makata every Monday, every Monday. But I think what Dr. November, out of all the things that he has said today, I think, ladies and gentlemen, let's forgive people. As much as you are holding the grudges against motho o itseng, as much as o feel ha batle motho o itseng, but remember Luena,
because o robile
pelo. Yeah, but remember Luena, there is somebody out there who is heartbroken today because of you. Regardless of wena o bona mistake wa o le munyane ho kae, wena as somebody who have caused the pain, you might see the mistake or the pain ile nyane. Wait up until o kopana le motho o ileng hore o ile a amohela the pain, then you would know hore le wena you have caused a lot of pain out there. Now let's go out there and forgive people so that we become batho ba right. People, we are really patient and aware. So now forgive so that you be healed. Remember, you need a healed version of yourself. Because as much as only patient, how na patient the right decision, and the sober decisions. Now let's heal because we deserve a healed versions of ourselves. Dr. November, over to you.
Yeah, no, nna akena mantswe nka wa buang. Mantswe fela nka wa buang kore let us have that thing dikelelong tsa rona tsa hore re understand the dating world.
Yeah.
Mohla re ka ra understand the dating world, or what are the things that are dating world. We are not going to be angry for other people. Le ba di exits tsa rona le ba re lahlile le ba re dampileng le ba re cheatileng le ba etsang, because le yona le di cheating di etswa ke hore kana botse di tlo thola hore you thought you love me, but go hane o boratane le motho o mong.
Yes, ntate Moroko.
Yes. So there are a lot of things nane ke re are preparing and are being right, because when o ka understand that dating world it's a majwang, you are not going to be frustrated. And you will understand or the operator jwang. Now o tlo ba right wena as a person, you're going to be okay. Yes. And then when you okay, that's when now you tlo khona ho etsa diqeto tse right in wa bona. 2 kapa 3, but again, even if wena ka ba all right, never think uri loko pana le batho ba right ba fodile ntjela ka wena. Le yona ne I preparele yona.
Yeah.
When you are okay, who hit, because most of us rata usually you must heal before you can commit yourself. But the problem is when you can heal.
Patient.
Patient. Eka ring out the talk of Palelon about what is it about.
kgutlisetsa sepatala. Wa patient
yeah. So those are the things. But if one of the things that can help us, it's when we can understand the dating world.
Yes,
because also and le mohlanga tlang wena be ke kopana le wena then ho sa le bomfebela kapa bontshintshela enye. I'm not going to be angry because ke tla be ke understand or dating world ho operate so o ka kopana le motho ya o nahana wa rata a ba sa o rate kapa wena o nahana o re tlo mo rata be sa
click
wa bona ba bang o thole re ale khone o ratana both of you ale khone la le se le try wa bona. Number 3 o ka kopana le motho yo nahana wa o rata ka nti o na le dintho tsa di ratang wena.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's one of the things you dating well team. You can think o ka kopana le motho o rata ka nti a rata. Somebody na ntse ntho very painful. Are hona le this lady a ratana ana le monna. Ona le this guy a ratana le. This guy o yetsetsa the lady everything o feta monna. Then ona le mo ya ratana le yena. But yena yo a ratana le yena o out of toropo ba dulang yo. Now yena the guy ya yetsang everything. Jole yona o re ho yena friend in motho nje tsore o botsa friend in a bona ke bona o rata this guy ya o yetsang dintho ene ke bona o spenda nako le yena why o sa tlwele monna kapa o tlwele le boyfriend ya ne hao.
Okay,
a ba re no nka tlwele monna for this guy a nketsang dintho ibile ke next matli ibile ke rata yane.
You were out of town.
Sure. You know, yeah, you thank everything. I'll tell them, said you know, petrol. You know, said it's a petrol or one boyfriend. I am.
I'm fatally fedi. Yeah, fatally fedi.
Nagitori, ya utatela. Kaporobota wana comments kapadi bis fedi.
Honale Malusuriben, are thanks for a wonderful show to both Silike and Pastor Novi.
Thank
God
you.
Bless you. And then Khalet a re ke shebile le nna nako hore e fitile 8 the way ho thabisang ka teng mo this show la rebuilder hle mahala for free morena ali tise le re philele. Your time, your love, we appreciate so much. Novi le lerato hle le sa inka hanyane le tsa mosebetsi o motle.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Dimakatsomila, I salute you guys. God bless you. And then Mohloiwa, I love this show. Okay. And then Dimakatso are win. Na go buang ka the lady o datang. O nyetsweng a ba data batho ba itu.
No na ke tlore ka bomadimabe batho bana ba ileng di oriented
family orientated
bona ke tlore a ba ske ba give up but ke re fela when on so phesua o batla lenyalo ka ba batla le commitment o e batle o ntso dilana le wena hore o ithute dating well theory is wrong.
Oh wow.
So that because when you are a family oriented person, bye.
Bye, viewers at home. Let's meet again next week, Monday, 6 o'clock. Hopefully, next week we will be in Kimberley. Le family elong hore bona lenyalo ba dutsi together ka hara lenyalo la polygamy. Now, please tag batho and le kana la tswela pele la comment. We will surely get back to your comments, please. Until we meet again, from me, also lovely, also Oleg, also Dirandilo Zedi. All right, it's a good night. So,